Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you how I made these resin coasters using Chameleon pigment. So Chameleon means that it changes color. So without further ado, let's get to it. So these coasters is really simple to make, and the first thing I'm doing, I am mixing my resin black, because black gives the best effect when you brush your pigment onto the molds. I am revisiting my molds that I made some time ago. I will link the video in the end, and I will brush into them this Chameleon pigment from Just For You Online UK. It is lilac, blue and green. I have had these pigments, Chameleon pigments, for a while now, but actually I never tried to use them in this way. And because lately I see a lot of people using Chameleon pigments, I said, "Oh, Leanne, you have them, so just give it a go and see for yourself." So that's what I am doing here. So it's all about brushing good in on the mold, on the edges, pigment, so no places are left uncovered. And after that it's done, I have my black resin and I just pour it in the mold. It is simple as that. You don't need to do anything else. Just maybe the one advice I would give to you is, before pouring your resin, turn the mold around and tap away the excess mica. So yes, after that I'm gonna torch to get rid of the bubbles and cover them and wait until they are cured. So this is the next day and it is unmolding time, and there it is, and they are looking amazing. The color shift is so beautiful and I am liking it a lot. I'm very happy. And here is the second one, looking good as well. So I gave them a top coat and here they are all ready. Well, this video was quite short one, but I hope you still enjoyed it. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please leave a comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!